Hey guys, this is Justin, and this video is going to be a bit different. But don't worry, it's a good different. Now, the company Xnspy contacted me and asked me if I wanted to take a look at their app, which is a monitoring system for Android and iPhone devices. And of course I said yes. I love trying out new apps, but do keep in mind that this video is sponsored, but of course it didn't affect my bias or any way that I thought of the app itself. So pretty much in a nutshell, the Xnspy app is a monitoring app which you can download on Android or iPhones, and you can monitor it from your Android or iPhone or even from Chrome or your browser on Windows and Mac. Now this pretty much allows you to monitor what the device owner is up to on their phone, such as who they're calling, texting, their internet search history, and such. Now this app is definitely for parents or employers who want to make sure that their children or employees are being productive, efficient, staying appropriate and safe online or on their devices. Now, one of the few big features on the Xnspy app is definitely the calling and the texting monitoring. Now, with the text monitoring, you're able to toggle all your features on and off, whether that be call monitoring, text monitoring, or what, and it allows you to see what the device owner is up to and who they're texting and what they're saying while they're text messaging or even calling. As a parent, this can be really useful as you can see who your children are talking to online or through SMS and to see if they're being safe or not. There's a lot of online child sex predators out there, so this app and this feature is really great just to make sure your children are safe and they know what they're doing online or on the texting. Now, I can say while using the calling and text monitoring features that the calling and text monitoring really just refreshes really often, which is really useful and really handy for parents and employers to know what their children and employees are doing quite often. Okay, so with call monitoring, you get all the information that you need, such as the call duration, what time you called, the date you called, and the whole call length. The text monitoring feature shows who the owner of the device is texting, what time they're texting, what they're saying to each other, and you can even see the whole listed conversation. Something else that really did impress me was that this app isn't just only able to monitor your SMS texting with your SIM card, but is also able to monitor different messaging apps such as Kik, Facebook, etc., and even Viber. Now, this is good news for parents as the majority of teen pornographic images are sent using internet via apps such as Snapchat. I can see parents just having peace of mind while using this app and these features. As the internet is an amazing tool to help you to learn new things, meet new people, and get work done, though internet is also a wasteland as many of you know, and is really just unsafe, especially for children who don't know what they're doing online. Any good parent would want to keep their kids safe and appropriate online and keep them away from pornography and many other viruses and unsafe and dangerous things. Employers especially also do want to know what their employees are up to and what they're doing online and whether they're doing and staying on task or not. So this internet logging feature on Xnspy is also really useful, and it's also really great as it gives parents and employers some insight on what their child or employees are up to on their devices. Of course, this internet logging feature is really accurate and it refreshes quite often, so you're always knowing what your employee or child is doing and what they're doing on their device. Now, as children get older and grow into their teenage years, they do like to socialize more, which is an awesome thing, but of course that naturally is a concern for many parents as they don't always know where their children are. So Xnspy has a great tool for that, the GPS tracking feature. So with this feature, you can see where your child or employee was or are, at what specific time, at what specific place. This is also really helpful as you can locate your child in case he goes or she goes missing. Along with those features, you also have the ability on Xnspy to use call recording and sound recording. Now, call recording, you can just listen on what the two people on both ends of the line are talking about and what they're saying. And with sound surrounding recording, you can see what the person who owns the device is doing, what they're up to, and where they are. What's crazy enough is that the Xnspy bundle also gives you some powerful remote commands that you can use on your own device, such as on a browser or on your own Android or Apple device, to affect the device owner that you have it targeted on. You're able to remotely lock their device, and you can even wipe their whole data and factory reset it, which is pretty insane. The installation for Xnspy on the Android device is a little tricky, but it's simple enough to get it done easily, and once you get it done, it's actually really easy to use. iPhone, on the other hand, you'll be required to jailbreak the device before you can actually download Xnspy, which is something I found really inconvenient, and not many people know how to jailbreak it. But with the iPhone version, if you know your child's or employees or the device owner's credentials for their iCloud, you'll be able to remotely download it onto their device. I would only recommend using Xnspy preferably on your browser, Chrome, or just on your Android device, as those are the ones that I tried out and worked the smoothest. Performance-wise, the user interface is really clean. I love how it's red and white and it's easily distinguishable, so you know where the options are and what the features are and how to toggle them on and off and what to do. Xnspy will cost a bit of money, but in my opinion, it's really all worth it, as there's 3 different packages. There's the basic, there's the iCloud, and there's the premium. For the basic and iCloud packages, you'll be landing around $8.33 per month, while with the premium, you'll be getting around $12.50. In my opinion, with all Xnspy has to offer, and this price is really just worth it, and this price is pretty on par with all the other monitoring softwares out there. Anyways guys, in the end, I definitely feel that Xnspy is an awesome app for parents and employers, but as I'm a student and I'm not an employer or a parent, I definitely don't see myself using this app for my daily needs, but I definitely see parents and employers utilizing this app and its tools for their everyday use. The price is actually pretty fair, and I do believe that this app offers some really great tools, and although it might be a little laggy and have its little bugs and problems, that's definitely going to be fixed with some future updates. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, as always, go hit the thumbs up button. Also, go subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I make tech review videos on phones and different devices. And by the way, I also have a video coming on the Moto Z and its mods, so definitely stay tuned for that. I'm pretty excited. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.